Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the printer port on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. View by category view, and then underneath hardware and sound, select view devices and printers. Select printers and scanners from this list, and then you want to select whatever printer you're having the issue with, you want to change the port for, and then select where it says printer properties. Select the ports tab up at the top, and then if you want to select a different port from the list here, you can just go ahead and select it from this list. And then once that is done, you would go ahead and just select OK. So again, you would check mark whatever port you wanted to change it to, and then you would select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.